Is she gonna say yes?
Are you excited?
Very excited. Very, very, very excited. Are you excited?
Very excited, but I'm nervous as well.
Nervous
Yes.
because of skydive or because some little secret that I know?
Yeah, both of them.
Both of them, yeah?
Let's do it.
We're just listening, we're existing. We stay when the music plays, and stop below and the people sway.
Okay, one scary part is over, and
Yeah.
now are you ready for another one?
I'm really excited now.
Yeah, really excited?
Yes, yes.
So you ready, man?
Ready, man. Really excited.
Oh yeah?
Waiting for her now.
Nice.
She's coming from the sky.
Yeah. Good one, huh? Is she gonna say yes?
I think so.
Look, she's coming right there.
Yeah.
She's already watching this big sign. Big sign, I love you. Will you marry me? Let's see.
Jump in air, over water. Now we are on the land, and I'll ask you the most important question of my life. Prachi Putabya, I love you so much. Will you marry me?
Yes, I will.
Oh yeah, she say yes. Let's put that nice ring on her. Yeah, very nice. Congratulations, guys. Yeah. Nice one.